Hi, my name is Alex Artan and you're on the channel Artan Play. And today we're going to play in an obby, but you are a bird. Climb a mountain as a cutie bird. Current height is now 350 meters. Okay, so we got 1000 alive, I wanted to say. Yeah, active, so let's jump straight into the game. My height is 0 meters. And here is me. Here is me. And I have a birdie on my head. 350 meters update released. Good luck. Believe in you. Thank you so much. But why am I bird, but I cannot fly? Oh, I can fly, but only down. Here. Okay, let's go in here. Okay, this is weird. Please, no. Oh, guys. Oh, wow. Oh, that was silly. Oh, I'm whitey bird now. Look at this. I'm white bird. Okay, so this is quite difficult, and I'm also interested if I can like cheat. No. Okay, that was interesting, but it's not. Okay, so I want to turn on some music. Then let's continue. Sorry for my accents, I just like it so much. Okay, so oh my god, it was close. I find it hard since I barely can see something. Oh, why is this place so hard for me? I cannot jump. Oh, I'm Pinky. I'm a Pinky birdie. Look at me. I'm a Pinky birdie. Okay. So I'm 2 minutes in and I'm still being at 0. Oh no! Look at this. I am at 1 meter high. This, yeah, yeah. No, I hadn't jumped again. How? White data. I'm gray birdie. I think that's only one environment for us now. My color changes. Okay, I'm a little bit okay with this path now. Fine. Oh yay, I made it that far. Oh no! I'm not getting. What? What kind of obby is that? Where? Oh, there. Fine, I'm 4 meters high now! Oh, yay. Yay. Oh, this is so scary. Oh, look at this cutie little house. Oh, I don't want to be gray. I want something like a spawn point. I cannot see anything, guys. Oh, wow. Please. Oh, yeah. This is really so hard to see. I'm so sorry, guys, if I'm going to. Why am I being gray? I want to be like a pink or yellow or something. Okay, I'm going to move that way. This is much better. Oh, I'm whitey. Thank you so much. I have a natural color. And this is great. Gray. And this is great. No, it's so hot. I find this. Whoa. Can you hear him quacking? Okay, so I find this obby hard, but this is interesting. Yeah, this is a cool new fresh idea. this is what I like most about it. Oh yeah, always scares me. No. Yeah. I think we need something like a spawn point in here. Yay. 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 No? No, actually no. Oh, there. Whee! Yay! Okay, where am I? Oh, I were downstairs there? Yeah, I were there downstairs and I am 7 meters high. I don't want to fall, please. Spawn point! 1! Number! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. No. Okay, let's go like that. My birdie flies not so high, I would say. You should just jump and trust your God. Oh my God. No, no! No, that was a bad idea. We should go, yeah, here. Okay. Oh, what's this? Yeah, there's a way then. Oh, wow. Awesome, look at this small house. Yeah, we should go in here. Look at this small house. I don't know how am I knowing where to go. Oh, I don't. Or I know. Oh, no! What? I think I can make it from this lighter. Yeah. And what's the purpose? Okay, I don't... Oh, I can see this one. Hill. And the cage. No! And the cave. And the cage. And the cave. It's not like a Nicolas Cage or something, it's just a cave. Okay, now in here, I'm 20 meters high. Wow, awesome! Finally, I am able to do something. No. Like as an edit spot. No. No. No, don't tell me I have to fly downstairs. Okay, find my second spawn. Okay, what's in here? Potion spikes. Okay, gotcha. I cannot touch spikes. Okay, control. Okay, thankful. Spawn point, it's so close. I'm red birdie. Wee. Why is he quacking so funny? Oh no. Whoa, that was silly. Oh, okay. We have a stair. We have a ladder. Whoa! Whoa! He's quacking so funnily. He's quacking when I'm pressing any buttons. How can I do that? No. I have to go here somehow. What's wrong with the thing? Oh! Yay! That was cool! That was a cool idea. Yay, that's a cool idea. And where should I... Oh, okay. Oh, what? No! Oh, okay. 20 meters, and now I have to fly the far, I think. Yeah, let's go. No, I couldn't jump! No! Okay. Let's start over and over again. I'm yellow! Oh, I'm a little chick. I'm so happy. I should be so careful with my skin right now. Since I like yellow color so much. Guys, and you know it. Look at me. Look how cute I am. Okay. Oh, I remember. Please. Oh yeah. Being careful is hard. Do you know this? Do you know this, guys? That being careful is so hard. It's always easier to just do everything as it is. Okay. Now birds past this point. Go around through the cave. Through the cave. Okay. Let's go in here. Nice. It's a hard. Oh, I mean it's a dog again. What? Oh, okay. Okay. So when you jump in, you are getting a little hate. What? Yay! I'm at the different side. I am at the different side. I made you a fool. Yay! Look at me, I'm so yellow and beautiful. This is so cool. Oh, that was so silly. Look at this. I could not. Oh, I was so close to save myself, but no. And look how far will I appear. Even before the spikes. This is awful. Oh no, are you kidding me? Okay guys, so I think we'll end up right here since I screwed up so much and I screwed up my yellow skin color. Okay, so if you like the video, give me some thumbs up, also subscribe and goodbye!